Okay. Now I want to show you how the micromining works. Right now in the system, there's no microminer in the whole world. So when I unplug this power plug so that it's not connected and it's not doing micromining. So now I plug this to power, so it starts to do the micromining. Even when the fan is not on, it will start doing the micromining. So now you see it changed from 0 to 1. That means it's connected to our system and it started to do the mining. And I want to show you, this is our e-wallet, and this e-wallet is connected to this device. It's connected to this power plug, and you can see right now we have the IOTW token 4919, and as right now it is working and doing the micromining, and it will increase the number soon. Okay, now it's 4920, so it's increased by 1. So because a lot of transactions all over the world, and it's earning tokens just by power on the power plug, and soon it will also increase by 1. Okay, so now it's 4,921. So this is the process how a home appliances can do the micromining.